Hi, it's Jamie with Skin Resource.MD, and I'm here today to tell you about one of my favorite products. I love our Ultra Rich Biolipid Cream. It says intense moisturizing treatment, and that's pretty much sums it up. This is a product that is wonderful. If you have very dry skin, if you have sensitive skin, or you have skin that's irritated maybe from even acne medications that completely dry your skin out, anybody can use this to help calm their skin, give it a protective barrier, and actually hold the moisture in while treating your skin. I would say treating because looking at the ingredients, let me just make sure I can read them all. Wonderful ingredients such as sea whip, green tea, sunflower seed oil, shea butter, coconut, rosemary. All these incredible essential oils moisturize and protect your skin, actually calming it down. If you have a lot of redness, it's going to soothe it and calm it down. It's a great product. Biolipid, again, if you look up biolipid, it means barrier. So you're going to not only moisturize, but protect your skin. I would say that if you have any irritation from other moisturizing products, or you have irritation from medications, or you have just older skin that needs a little bit more special treatment, this is your product, the Ultra Rich Biolipid Cream. Highly recommend it. I use it every day.